Getting the right tree is imperative, especially when you're planting trees near the house. There are a few trees that I would really advise not to plant in small gardens or near buildings. Trees are essential in our gardens. They provide habitats for wildlife, they are aesthetically pleasing, they can cool us in the summer. The poplar tree is a beautiful looking tree, but it is very fast growing and has a root system that seeks out water and could cause damage to the drain system around the house. If you've got a really big garden and a big plot and you want it at the back to screen, then great, but not near the house. Oak trees are magnificent trees. We love seeing them in our countryside, and if I'm honest with you, that's where they should stay. Having them in small town gardens doesn't really work. They want to grow to be enormous and house all the amazing species that they do. Oak trees, don't plant them. A foxglove tree sounds as if it would be perfect for a garden tree. However, they have very, very vigorous root systems that could find themselves into not only the drainage system around the house, but also coming up through the cracks in the paving. So not really ideal to be planted near a house or a building. Eucalyptus tree. I can tell you from personal experience that to not plant them in small gardens. I inherited one in my little garden and nothing grows around it. It's incredibly thirsty, can impoverish soil. Much better in huge landscape settings where they can thrive. Willow trees are such an elegant tree, really beautiful. And there are some willows that can actually be grown in a garden, but most of the willows that we see, especially the ones that live by streams, are hugely unadvisable to plant in a small garden. They are beautiful, they're majestic, but they need a huge amount of water, and that's why they look beautiful alongside a river. They take up a lot of moisture, and what we wouldn't want to happen is for there to be any subsidence created around the house, which could be a problem. If you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe to get more great tips from Gardener's World magazine.